I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. In this video, I want to show you step by step all what you have to do in order for you to buy a coin on Bitget and also transfer coins from Bitget to any other wallet, be it an exchange or a wallet. So how to buy a coin and transfer that coin from Bitget to any other wallet. Kindly pay attention to this video. So this is my Bitget wallet account, and here you can see home, you can see market, you can see trade, you can see futures, and you can see assets. So what I'm going to click on here is that I want to see my assets. So I will click on assets. I will click on assets. I've clicked on assets. All right, so at the top here you can see overview, you can see sports, you can see futures, you can see OTC, you can see N. So I want to check if I have any value, any amount of USDT under spot. So I will click on spot. I click on spot. So you can see under my spot here, nothing is under my spot. Do you get it now? So about OTC, I will click on OTC also. Once you buy USDT from Bitget and you have received it from the seller, that USDT will go to your OTC first. So you have to transfer that USDT from your OTC. From this OTC, you transfer it to spot. For you to use your USDT to buy any coin on Bitget, you have to first transfer it from OTC, you move it to spot. So I'm having $11 worth of USDT here under my OTC, and I have nothing under my spot. So I have to transfer this dollar from OTC then to my spot trading. So I'll just click on transfer here. You can see transfer here, guys. I click on transfer. I click on transfer. I have clicked on it. I have clicked on it. All right, so you can see spot here. You can see OTC here. So I want to move from OTC to spot, but here it's showing me that I'm moving from spot to OTC. So I will just interchange it here by clicking on this thing. I will interchange it. I've clicked on this. I've clicked on it, so it has been interchanged. So I'm moving from OTC. I'm moving it to my spot account. I'm moving USDT. I want to move everything. I just click on all. I will click on all. So I have done that. I have clicked on all. Then I will click on confirm. I have clicked on confirm. All right. I click on confirm. So that means the dollar that I have bought from Bitget has been moved from OTC to spot account. Now I can now go and use that dollar to buy any coin of my choice on Bitget's account. So I just come here. I will click on, let me click on spot first. I will click on spot. I click on spot. So you can see that the dollar has been moved to my spot account. Now I'm now having $11 here under my spot account. So I want to go and use this dollar to buy a certain coin on this Bitget account. So I will click on trade. I will click on trade. I have clicked on trade. So it's bringing me to this place now. So this is where it has brought me under spot. Can you see it, guys? So you can see Solana here. This is Sol slash USDT. But what I want to buy is that I want to buy BNB coin. BNB coin. And here it's showing me Solana coin. I will just click on this arrow here. I will click on it here to select BNB. Then I will come here and I will type BNB. BNB. I will type BNB here. BNB. Alright, so I've typed, you can see BNB slash USDT. So I click on BNB slash USDT. I have clicked on it. So I'm having $11.3 here. So I want to use the whole $11 to buy this BNB on this Bitget account. So I just come here, I will drag this thing here, this arrow here, I will drag it here. I can type it here also. I can say I want to buy $11. I can type $11 here, or I can just drag this arrow here. Once I want to buy everything, I just drag the arrow here and everything will be shown for me here. So I can use this amount to buy this BNB. I've clicked on buy here. I now click on buy BNB. If I want to sell, I just click on sell here. If I want to buy, I will click on buy. So I want to buy BNB. So I'm buying BNB and I'm using the whole amount to buy BNB. All right, so I just click on buy BNB. I've clicked on it. So I click on confirm. I click on confirm. So I have bought BNB on this Bitget wallet. Okay, so if I check my spot here now, I will see the BNB under my spot account. So I click on spot. So you can see the BNB is now under my spot account. Now the next thing I want to show you is that how you can transfer this BNB to any other wallet or any other exchange. So you can transfer this BNB to either Trust Wallet, Metamask, Bitget wallets, any other wallet, Binance, Bybit. You can transfer this coin to any other wallet on any exchange or decentralized exchange. So let's get into that one also. So let's say I want to transfer this BNB now to my Bitget wallet. To my Bitget wallet. I just go and open my Bitget wallet. So this is my Bitget exchange. This is my Bitget wallet. I'm going to open this Bitget wallet. I will click on it. I will click on it. So my Bitget wallet has been opened now. What I want to do here is that I want to copy the BNB wallet address from this Bitget wallet. Hope you get that. That is what I want to do on this Bitget wallet. I only want to copy the BNB wallet address from this Bitget wallet. So I've just come to the, you can see market, trade, discover, and wallet. I just click on I will click on wallets. I will click on wallets. So I've clicked on wallet. Then I will now search for my BNB coin here. So I'm having BNB here. Where is the BNB? Where is the BNB? Okay, so this is the BNB coin. I'm having 0 BNB here. So I just click on this BNB. This BNB, I will click on it. I will click on it. All right. So I've clicked on BNB. Then you can see receive. You can see transfer. So I will click on receive. I will click on receive. I've clicked on receive. Then you can see only support receiving BNB chain network assets. I will now click on this place now. I will click on this place. I will just to copy the address. So I have copied the address. So I will now go back to my Bitget exchange and transfer that BNB to this address. Hope you get that, guys. I will go to Bitget exchange and transfer that BNB to this address that I have copied here. So this is my Bitget exchange again. So I just come to my assets here. I will click on the assets. I will click on the assets. Then I will click on spot again. I click on spot. Then you can see add funds. You can see withdraw, transfer. So I will click on withdraw now because I want to withdraw my BNB from this Bitget exchange to Bitget wallet. So I will click on withdraw. I've clicked on withdraw. I've clicked on withdraw. So you can see my assets here. The BNB is here. I'll just click on BNB. I will click on BNB here. So you can see on-chain withdrawal and you can see internal transfer. Just click on on-chain withdrawal. On-chain withdrawal. I click on on-chain withdrawal. Then you can see the withdrawal address here. So the address that I copied from Bitget Exchange, I will paste it here. So I just come here. I just click it and I will paste it. I click on paste. So I've pasted the address here. Then the network is always BEP Binance Smart Chain Network. Don't forget, always ensure that it is on BEP20 Binance Smart Chain Network. So I select it. That is the network I want to use. So I just click on I'm sending everything to Bitget wallet. So I just click on all. I click on all. Then I will click on withdraw. I will click on withdraw. I have clicked on withdraw. Okay, you can see here confirm withdrawal. It shows me the details of my withdrawal. So I will just click on confirm. I will click on confirm. I've clicked on confirm. So it depends on the kind of security you are using. I'm using email and I'm using Google Authenticator. So I just go to my email and copy the code that was sent to me from my email. I also go to my Google Authenticator and copy the code also from my Google Authenticator. Then I will click on confirm. Let me do that right away. Okay, so I've put those two codes on it and now the withdrawal has been submitted successfully. So this is kind of a response you will get once I've gotten the process right. Then now I will now go back to my Bitget wallet and check if this BNB coin has actually arrived successfully into my Bitget wallet. Guys, so this is my Bitget wallet now, and you can see here the BNB has arrived successfully into my Bitget wallet, same amount, $11. So that is how to use your USDT on Bitget to buy any coin and also transfer that coin to any exchange or any wallet address of your choice anytime. So I've also made a video on how you can buy USDT on Bitget through P2P, even from your Naira account. I will drop the link to that video also under the comment box of this video. And if you want to join my mentorship class for those who are trading crypto by investing early into low cap coins and making so much more money from it, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram to join my crypto mentorship class. All right, guys, that is the information I have for you in this short video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not done so, and also share this video to other people that might find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Peace and love, and let us meet in my next video.